In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset GCash MPIN without face verification. If you've forgotten your MPIN or you're locked out, don't worry. GCash provides alternative ways to verify your identity without using face verification in many cases. Your MPIN is the 4-digit code that protects your account, so resetting it carefully and securely is important. Start by opening the GCash app. On the login screen, tap Forgot MPIN. You'll be asked for your registered mobile number. Enter the same number that's linked to your GCash account so the app can find your profile. Make sure your SIM is active and your phone has a stable connection, since you'll likely receive a verification code during this process. Next, choose an available verification method that doesn't require face verification. The most common option is an OTP or one-time password sent via SMS. Some users may also see email verification if it's enabled on the account. Follow the prompts on screen, and when you receive the OTP, enter it exactly as shown. These codes are time-sensitive, so use it as soon as it arrives and never share it with anyone. After that, the app may ask for a few personal details to confirm it's really you. Provide the required information as prompted. This step helps protect your account and ensures only the rightful owner can reset the MPIN. Take your time to enter everything accurately so you don't trigger additional security checks. Once your identity is verified, you'll be prompted to create a new 4-digit MPIN. Choose a code that's easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. Avoid obvious combinations like repeating digits or birthdays. Confirm the new MPIN when asked and keep it private. Don't store it in places where others can access it and never share it with anyone. It's important to note that in some situations, GCash may still require face verification for security reasons, especially if your account is flagged for unusual activity or you're using a new device. If you don't have access to face verification or you're unable to complete it, you can contact the GCash Help Center through the app or visit their official website to submit a request for manual account recovery. Be ready to provide accurate account details so the support team can assist you more quickly. That's it. Keep your SIM active to receive OTPs, safeguard your new MPIN, and you'll be back in your account securely without face verification whenever those alternative options are available.